do that?
Just like you all are here, I'm an eyewitness as well. I just came to see for myself. But so far, what I am seeing, I'm not impressed because I believe the engineer who did the job should be able to account for why it should be like this. That's all I know I can say for now.
The house is closer to my own side where I'm living. So as I came out very early morning, I was even saying that I woke up very late. As I was washing this early morning, I had a sound. I was thinking that it's a trailer fall a fence. So the next thing I heard, people were saying outside that house has fall. Then it happened that it's 1708, the new one.
Actually, I'm not the constructing engineer, but I'm the engineer to do the integrity test.
Okay.
So from all indications, the integrity test is going to start by tomorrow. But right away, we won't be able to tell you actually the cause of the collapse, not until we have done that test. So that is the situation for now.
Your assessment is this actually a one-story or two-story building or whatever?
No, this is a two-story building, but it has submerged. So it could be foundation failure, it could be failure of the structure itself, but we can't ascertain now, not until we conduct that test. And I'll start it by tomorrow.
So when should we expect the results?
That test will take me a minimum of 2 weeks. That is what I even told the commissioner.
What's the name of the test again?
It's called integrity test, structural integrity test.
Your name again?
Engineer Isa Ayebeni.
Aye.
Ayebeni.
Spell